The long-awaited WAEC timetable is out. The long-awaited 2026 WAEC timetable is out. Before now, a lot of things many of you see on the internet are fake, but WAEC, West African Examination Body, the official WAEC Council, has released your timetable, and here I'll be giving it to you free of charge. I will also show you how I can send it to you free of charge here in Noble Tutorial. So now, for Nigerian candidates, when is the exam starting? When is 2026 WAEC starting? Date: the first paper will be on Tuesday, 21st April 2026. Tuesday, 21st April 2026. The paper will be Food and Nutrition 3 Practical. Then on that same day, there will be Home Management Practical. It will start from 9:30 to 10:30. Then after that Tuesday, the next exam will be the following Monday, 27th April 2026 to Friday, 8th May 2026. On those days, there will be subjects like Arabic, French, physical education, food and nutrition, home management, music. Date and time for each paper will be arranged by the council. Some of you are not involved. Some of you watching this are not involved in such. Then on 1st of May, there will be a public holiday, often called Workers' Day. Okay, then we will now have things like Tuesday 12th. This is where it gets interesting. Remember, you are watching here on Noble Tutorial. If you want me to send you a copy of this PDF, of this timetable, free on your phone, watch till the end so I can tell you how you can download it free of charge. Tuesday 12th of May 2026, we will have Hausa 1, Hausa 2, that is essay and objective. It will run also with Yoruba essay, Yoruba objective, then Igbo essay, Igbo objective. On Tuesday 12th, these ones will happen from 9:30 to 11:30. Then later in the day will be livestock farming and beauty and cosmetology. It is all available in the timetable. Then the following day, Wednesday 13th May, please send this timetable to all your classmates. Very, very important. If you have not subscribed to us here in Noble Tutorial, click on subscribe, click on join to become a full member of our channel, because here in this channel we will be guiding you throughout your exam. Wednesday 13th May, we have fashion design and garment making, essay and objective. Then we have home management, essay and objective. Right? On Thursday 14th May, there will be digital technologies, essay and objective. Then Friday, May 15th, food and nutrition will happen, essay and objective. Then French, essay and objective. This is very, very important. Then Monday 18th May, we have technical drawing, essay and objective, music, essay and objective. We have physical education, essay and objective, life. Okay, these ones will happen on 18th May, Monday. Then Tuesday 19th May, we have livestock farming and technical drawing, essay and objective on Tuesday 19th. Then Wednesday 20th May, we have chemistry practical. Science students, pay attention. Remember, if you have not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Just click on subscribe right now. If you have not joined, click on join. Here in Noble Tutorial, our work is to ensure that we'll follow you up, give you all the guidelines you need until you make your A1. I want you to claim it. This WAEC, you will not fail. You will make your A1. You will be among those that will succeed. Claim it in the comment section. Type I claim it. Now, Wednesday 20th May, you have chemistry practical alternative A. Chemistry practical alternative A. It will be 2 hours, 2 a.m., right? First set and second set. Then on that same day, Wednesday, we have computer hardware, essay and objective. On that same day, we have solar photovoltaic installation and maintenance. On that same day, we have beauty, cosmetology, essay and objective. Now, 21st, it's a big day. 21st May, we have further mathematics, essay and objective. further maths, essay and objective. Then after that, we will now go on to have health education, essay and objective, health education, alternative to work. Then visual art, drawing on 2nd May, Friday, 2nd May. After that, there will be holidays. There will be holidays, Children's Day, public holiday. Then on 29th May, we have Arabic essay and objective. Then visual art, essay and objective. Now, when we return on 1st of June, this is where the exam gets interesting. 1st of June, we have Christian religious studies, essay and objective. Then we have Islamic studies, essay and objective. Physics. My science student, please, in the comment section of this video, indicate whether you are a science student or art student. If you need us to give you past questions, let us know. Okay? So, 1st of June, we have CRS, we have Islamic studies, we have physics. 2nd of June, we have civic education, which is like a general subject. If you have not subscribed to Noble Tutorial, go ahead and subscribe. Okay? Agric, we have it on 2nd June, then catering. So on 2nd June, you are having civic education, agriculture, and catering. So you, as a science art student, you must know your own papers, the subject you registered in. If you are confused, let me know. Then on Wednesday is a big day, general mathematics. Please, is there anybody watching this video that is afraid of maths and you need special guidance or special help? Let us know in the comment section. General maths, Wednesday, 3rd June. Wednesday, 3rd June, essay and objective. It will start by 9:30 and end by 4:30. Then after that, the next day, 4th, we have government, essay and objective, music. Then we have fashion, design and garment making. Then we have agriculture, practical, on that 4th of June. If you want to get a copy of this book, remember to subscribe, join this channel, and come under the comment of this video and tell us that you want a copy. Okay? 5th June, we have geography, essay and objective, then geography, practical. Then 8th June, we have digital technologies, practical. Then 9th June, we have chemistry, practical, alternative B. Then Nigerian history, essay and objective. I hope you are following. If you have any question, you have anything disturbing you concerning this WAEC, if you are afraid of the exam, let us know in the comment section. Nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop you from succeeding in this year's WAEC. You will be among those that will record A's. You will not repeat your exam. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section and subscribe. Wednesday, 10th June, we have English language, a very important day. English language, essay and objective, English language, test of orals. Then the following day, Thursday, so English exam will start by 9:30 and we end by 2:35. Before you come, eat very well, study very well, pray hard. We will be here in Noble Media to give you updates that day. English, Thursday, 11 June, we have chemistry, essay and objective, chemistry 1 and 2, essay and objective. Then we have literature in English, prose and objective. So that day, whether you are arts or science, you are writing. 12th June, there will be no exam because it will be Democracy Day celebration. Then the next day will be Monday, 15th June 2026. We have physics, practical, alternative A. Then we have marketing is from 2, essay and objective from 2 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. So the next day will be biology, very important. Biology, essay and objective. Then on that same day you have literature in English, drama and poetry, the same day. Then we will have Wednesday, 17th June, we have biology. I hope you are writing these things down. If you want to get a copy, subscribe to our channel and join. When you join, come under the comment or do the and type I have joined. Then I will now share with you the link with which you can download a copy. Okay? We will now have Wednesday, 17th June, we have biology 3, practical. Then economics Very, very important. Economics, essay 1 and essay 2. Then physics is 18th. 18th you have physics alternative B, practical. Then on that same day for art students, we have accounting, essay and objective. Then the last day of this year's exam is June 19, 2026. Commerce, essay and objective. Then crafting, catering crafts will now be alternative to work on that same June. So this year's exam is starting 21st of April to 19th of June. This is the official authentic WAEC timetable for Nigerians. If you are in Ghana, if you are in Sierra Leone, you want your own timetable, let us know. Let us know the country you are watching from. If you want a copy of this timetable, let me know. Just click on subscribe, click on join, share this video. 3 things: like this video, share this video, subscribe, click on join. When you do these 4 things, comment I have joined. When you do that, we'll send you how you can get a free PDF of this timetable so that you can have it on your phone. This is Noble Tutorial. Like, comment, and share. There are many videos on our channel that will help you to pass whether WAEC, NECO, and JAM. Go to our channel and find them now.